Well, finally today, we hope you're hungry because Hawa Ware, former owner of Palahvah Hut on Magnolia Avenue, is in our kitchen.
I'm excited.
I know.
She is going to show us how to make an authentic Liberian dish that is not only delicious, can confirm, but it's also good for you when you're feeling under the weather.
Today I will be cooking eddo soup. Here's the eddo. It's a root. It grows in the ground. And then I have plantain. And then the cassava has like a bland flavor. After these are all cut up, you put them in the pot. And the other ingredients I'm going to add into this eddo soup are some onion, garlic, and pepper. I have Malagita pepper here. It's a very traditional spice. It has its roots with the trading that went on in Liberia, and this pepper is one of the well-known spices that was traded in Liberia. So I'm going to add that into my pot. Kitterly has a very bitter taste, and the reason it's good in the soup, if you're not feeling well, sometimes you have this kind of, you don't have appetite, but when you have this sweet, savory, bitter, it kind of helps to balance your taste buds and it encourages your appetite. And I mix it up. And I'll add some water. And cover it up, and you can season according to your taste. You can add more pepper if you want to. And after you add everything there, just let it boil about 30 to 45 minutes. And guess what? I have the ready version. So, palm oil is like, I'll say African butter. You just add it in there, and then you stir it up. It gives it that color. And the eddo soup is ready. Let us enjoy.
That looks so good.
I was lucky enough to be in the room when she made it. Gotta try. It was
Yum.
life-changing.
She does cater, by the way, if you're interested in trying it.